How safe is Switzerland for travel? Switzerland is a beautiful, peaceful country in Central Europe. It's squeezed in between France to the west, Italy to the south, Austria and Liechtenstein to the east, and Germany to the north. Undoubtedly, Switzerland's biggest pride is its nature, since it flaunts magnificent mountains that it's known for, the Alps in the south, Jura in the northwest, but also rolling hills, wonderful lakes, plains, and sweet little towns with gorgeous, vivid scenery. Overall risk: low. Switzerland is very safe to travel to. It is a country where every law is respected and the police are doing their job very meticulously. Still, don't let your guard down and be vigilant at all times. Travel insurance. Just like anywhere else, we recommend getting travel insurance when traveling to Switzerland. Better be safe than sorry. Word of caution: beware of pickpockets in crowded areas and tourist landmarks, and do not let your guard down just because you are feeling safe.